2011 Ram 1500 with a 5.7. This is the third time this vehicle has been back. We are tapped in with our Pico scope. We've got a scope capture here, and I just want to talk to you. This is a fuel pump that we're looking at here, and this is what it is supposed to look like. So we're using the scan tool to command the fuel pump on. That's this guy right here. We're using the Pico. Our blue lead is going to be amperage. Our red lead is voltage. This is a Phil's Pro tapping into our orange, or our blue with orange wire. This is what a good fuel pump should look like. So blue is amperage and red is voltage. So every time we have an amperage spike, we should see a voltage dip. And so every time here we see a blue peak and a red valley. And it's the same all the way across. It's consistent. All of our peaks are about the same height. All of our valleys on both amperage and voltage are tracking the same. So this fuel pump is good and is working like it should. Our problem is that the vehicle is intermittently not starting, and that is caused by the fuel pump relay, which is inside of this piece, which is the totally integrated power module. So a TIPM is the problem that's causing this vehicle not to start right now, and we can prove it's not the fuel pump that I just replaced with this scope capture. And this is why diagnostics are not free, because the Pico scope's $4,000, that's another $4,000, and knowing how to use it is half the battle. So that's where we're at. It's going to get a TIPM, and that's going to fix it.